In today's video, I'll show you how to make a super simple animated cartoon character right inside Canva.
Hi, friends. I am an apple. People call me Joy Apple. So, what are your names, guys?
First, open Canva and click on Videos. Choose a landscape format. This will be your editing canvas. The new UI looks quite updated, but honestly, it feels a bit messy to me. Some simple things are now a little harder to find. So I'll click here on Pages to hide this timeline. Much better. Now go to Elements and let's create a fully animated Apple Man. I'll choose an apple from my recent items, scale it, and position it like this. Next, search for cartoon legs in the Elements. From the Graphics section, I'll pick this pair of legs. Resize them and place them like this. Then, go to Position, Layers, and move the legs layer behind the apple, just like that. Now, I'll search for Line in the Elements and choose this one. I'll increase its thickness from here, like this. This will be the arm of our Apple Man. Let's position it like this, then duplicate it from here, and arrange the copy just like this. Hold Control and use your mouse scroll to zoom in. Now we can adjust this joint more precisely, just like that. Next, go to Position, Layers, and bring the apple layer to the top. Now, from the Elements, search for a hand. I'll pick this graphic and change its color to red from here. Then, go to Edit, scroll down to Shadows, and select Outline. Now you can see a nice outline forming around the hand, like this. I'll arrange the hand right here. Looks nice, right? To match the look, I'll also change the shoe's color to red. Now let's make the other hand. I'll simply duplicate this arm and position it like this. Perfect. Now we have both hands in place. Now I'm going to separate the legs so we can animate them later. First, duplicate the legs from here and place the duplicate right on top of the original, like this. Next, double-click on it and crop to show only one leg, just like this. Then, double-click on the other leg and do the same. Crop it so only that leg is visible. Now, go to Position, Layers, and bring the apple layer to the top, like this. Next, I'll duplicate the right leg again and move it on top of the original, just like this. Double-click on it and crop so only the shoe is visible. Then, double-click on the original and crop it to show the rest of the leg, like this. There's a small gap here, so I'll zoom in and adjust it until it fits perfectly, just like that. Now, I'll rotate the shoe slightly and arrange the leg, like this. Take a closer look. It's coming together nicely. Now, hold Shift and select both of these elements, then group them together, like this. I'll rotate the arm a bit and adjust the hand to match. Just like that. Next, from here, duplicate the page. Then go to the second page. Now I'll rotate this hand and arrange it like this. And then adjust the right leg the same way. After that, go back to the first page, right-click on it, and choose Add Transition. Select Match and Move, and reduce the duration to 0.2 seconds, since I'm going to turn this into a gift. Now, click on a page, go here, and reduce the timing to twice the transition duration. That's 0.4 seconds. Then choose Apply between all pages. Let's preview it. See that? The Apple Man waves his hand while moving his leg. Finally, go to Share. Click the download arrow, set the file type to GIF, and enable transparent background. Then hit download, and you've got your animated Apple Man GIF. Let's check out the downloaded GIF. Looks awesome, right? Now, go to Uploads in Canva and upload the downloaded GIF back into your project, like this. I'll delete these 2 pages since we don't need them anymore. And then add the GIF to the canvas, just like this. Next, I'll scale it up a bit to fit nicely. Now, go to Elements and add another apple on top of this one, like this. Then, go to Animate, scroll all the way down, and apply the wiggle animation to that apple. I'll reduce the intensity a little, just like that. Next, go back to Elements and find a cartoon face. I'll pick one from my recent items and add it to the canvas. Now, double-click on it and crop so only the eyes and nose are visible, like this. Finally, I'm going to animate the mouth so it looks like the apple is talking. Click here, then click Create, and select Videos. Once again, choose a landscape video. That'll be our new design canvas. Now, from the Elements tab, search for a cartoon mouth. I couldn't find an animated one, so I'll pick this static mouth and animate it myself. Let's arrange it like this. Then double-click and crop it just like this. Next, duplicate it and place the copy right on top of the original. Now, double-click the copy and crop it to show only the lower jaw, like this. There's a small gap here, so I'll fill it with black. Go to Tools, select the marker pen, change its color to black, and draw a line across, like this. You can zoom in on the canvas to draw smoother, cleaner lines. To fill the rest of the gap, I'll grab a rectangle from the Elements, change its color to black, and scale it to fit, just like this. Finally, go to Position, Layers, and bring the jaw layers to the top of everything. Perfect. Now, click on the page and duplicate it. Then, move the jaws closer to each other, just like this. Next, go back to the first page, right-click, and select Add Transition. Choose Match and Move. And reduce the duration a bit. Also, set the page timing to twice the transition duration, like this. Then, click Apply to all pages. Once that's done, go to Share. Click the download arrow, change the file type to GIF, and enable transparent background. Then, hit download to save your design. Now, go back to the previous Canva project and upload the animated mouth, just like this. Add it to the design, position it on the apple's face, and see that? It actually looks like he's talking now. Finally, download the completed design as an MP4 video. And there you go. Our animated talking apple video is ready. I searched for a cartoon background in the Elements section. From the Videos tab, you can pick a background that fits your scene. There are lots of great options to choose from. I'll go with this one. Just right-click on it and select Set Image as Background. Now, let's preview it. Looks awesome, right?
Hi, friends. I am an apple. People call me Joy Apple. So, what are your names, guys?
Like the video, subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, and stay tuned with me.